Welcome back to Tronify Tech, the channel where pickup trucks get smarter, tougher, and way more useful. Today, we're diving into 20 incredible car and truck gadgets you can grab online right now, built specifically to upgrade your pickup truck life. Whether you use your truck for work, off-roading, camping, or weekend adventures, these upgrades are designed to save time, add muscle, and unlock features you didn't even know your truck needed. Some of these are rugged storage solutions, some are pure convenience, and a few will make you say, "Why didn't this come standard?" Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications. All right, let's start strong. Rack and Ride MX. If you haul gear tools or oversized cargo, this one changes the game. The Rack and Ride MX is a sliding hitch-mounted cargo carrier that transforms how you load and unload your truck. Instead of climbing into the bed or stretching over the tailgate, this system slides your cargo straight toward you smoothly and safely. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, the Rack and Ride MX is designed to handle serious weight without flexing or wobbling. It locks securely into your hitch receiver and glides on precision rails, making loading coolers, generators, toolboxes, or camping gear feel effortless. What really stands out is the controlled sliding mechanism. You're not yanking gear out or risking back strain. Everything moves evenly and stays stable. When you're done, it slides back in and locks tight for the drive. For contractors, overlanders, or anyone tired of crawling into their truck bed, this is one of those upgrades that instantly feels essential. Once you use it, going back to traditional loading feels outdated. Rear bumper step. Let's be honest, climbing into a pickup bed shouldn't feel like a workout. A rear bumper step gives you instant, secure footing right where you need it most. With one step, you're up and in no jumping, no awkward climbing, no slipping on wet bumpers. This retractable style bumper step stays hidden when not in use, preserving your truck's clean look. When needed, it pulls out smoothly and locks into place, giving you a solid platform strong enough to handle daily abuse. It's especially useful when loading tools, grabbing gear from the bed, or accessing roof racks. And because it's designed to integrate with modern truck bumpers, installation is quick and doesn't require permanent modifications. Small upgrade, massive convenience. Once installed, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Kodiak Canvas Truck Tent. If you love camping but hate complicated setups, this is your new favorite accessory, the Kodiak Canvas. Truck tent turns your pickup bed into a fully enclosed, weatherproof camping shelter in minutes. No uneven ground, no rocks under your back. Just a flat, elevated sleeping space protected from the elements. Made from premium-grade canvas, this tent is breathable, durable, and built to handle rain, wind, and temperature swings far better than typical nylon tents. It fits securely over your truck bed, sealing around the edges so you stay dry and comfortable all night. Inside, you get generous headroom, large windows for airflow, and rugged zippers that won't fail after one season. It's perfect for overlanding trips, hunting weekends, or spontaneous road adventures. If your truck is already part of your lifestyle, this tent completes the experience, turning your vehicle into a true mobile base camp. Utamaster Load Lid. If you want your truck bed to be secure, weatherproof, and still fully usable, the Utamaster Load Lid is a serious upgrade. This is a hard, lockable tub cover designed to protect your cargo from theft, rain, dust, and sun without sacrificing strength. Unlike soft tonneau covers, the load lid is built from reinforced aluminum, making it tough enough to handle real worksite abuse. The lid opens wide, giving you full access to your bed and locks down solid when closed. That means tools, gear, and valuables stay hidden and protected whether you're parked overnight or cruising down the highway. Another big win is versatility. The load lid is engineered to support additional accessories like roof racks or cargo rails, so you can still carry ladders, recovery gear, or outdoor equipment on top. If you rely on your truck daily and want maximum security without giving up practicality, this is one of the smartest investments you can make. Chevrolet Stowlex Tailgate Storage. This one is pure hidden genius. The Chevrolet Stowlex tailgate storage system uses space inside your tailgate to create a built-in storage compartment, something most drivers don't even realize is possible. Inside, you'll find a durable, water-resistant storage area perfect for tie-downs, straps, gloves, saws, emergency tools, or small gear you want quick access to. No rattling around in the bed, clutter in the cab. What makes it even better is how seamless it feels. The storage blends right into the tailgate design, keeping everything clean, secure, and out of sight. It's one of those features that looks factory installed because it basically is. For everyday truck owners who love smart organization without sacrificing space, this tailgate storage solution is an underrated game changer. Tune M1 Camper. If you've ever wanted to turn your pickup into a full adventure rig, meet the Tune M1 Camper. This modular camper system transforms your truck bed into a compact living space designed for serious explorers. It's lightweight, aerodynamic, and built for quick setup, no massive RV, no permanent modifications. Inside, you get a thoughtfully designed layout that can include sleeping space, storage, and room for gear, all while keeping your truck nimble on trails and highways alike. The Tune M1 stands out because it's built with precision engineering and premium materials, meaning it handles rough terrain without rattles or flex. It's perfect for overlanding, cross-country road trips, or anyone who wants freedom without giving up comfort. This is the kind of upgrade that doesn't just change your truck, it changes how you travel. Dog car cover. If your dog rides shotgun or owns the back seat, this one's a must. A dog car. Cover is designed to protect your truck's interior from mud, fur, scratches, spills, and wet paws, while keeping your pet comfortable and secure on every drive. These covers are made with waterproof, scratch-resistant fabric and reinforced stitching that holds up against claws and constant movement. The hammock-style design prevents your dog from slipping into the footwell and adds an extra layer of safety during sudden stops. Non-slip backing and adjustable straps keep everything locked in place, even on rough roads. And when the trip's over, cleanup is easy. Just shake it out or toss it in the wash. If you take your dog to job sites, trails, or road trips, this simple upgrade saves your seats and keeps your truck looking new. Vestal HL55 Motorized Hitch Lift. Now we're stepping into serious muscle. The Vestal HL55 Motorized Hitch Lift is built for anyone who moves heavy equipment, generators, coolers, mobility devices, or oversized cargo without breaking their back. This lift mounts directly into your truck's hitch receiver and uses the powered lifting mechanism to raise and lower loads smoothly. No manual cranking. No risky lifting. Just push a button and let the machine do the work. With its rugged steel construction and impressive weight capacity, the HL55 is ideal for contractors, campers, and anyone transporting bulky gear on a regular basis. When not in use, it folds down to save space and maintain drivability. If lifting heavy gear has ever slowed you down or caused injury, this is one upgrade that pays for itself fast. Kurt Power Ride 30K fifth wheel hitch. If towing is part of your lifestyle, this one demands attention. The Kurt Power Ride 30K fifth wheel hitch is engineered for massive towing capacity, handling up to 30,000 pounds with confidence and control. This is professional-grade hardware built for serious haulers. Its fully articulating head ensures smooth movement during turns in uneven terrain, reducing stress on your truck and trailer. The precision locking system delivers a solid, secure connection you can trust mile after mile. What really stands out is the ride quality. The Power Ride system minimizes chucking and vibration, giving you a more stable, comfortable towing experience even with extreme loads. For RV owners, heavy equipment haulers, or long-distance towers, this hitch is built to perform under pressure. Hercules 2.0. The Lil Hercules 2.0 is a self-loading wheel lift system designed for serious towing, recovery, and vehicle transport. If you work in roadside assistance, fleet recovery, or vehicle relocation, this setup brings professional-grade power to your truck. Built with industrial strength components, the Lil Hercules mounts securely and deploys quickly, allowing you to lift and load vehicles without dragging or damaging them. The hydraulic operation delivers smooth, controlled movement, even when handling heavy loads. What makes it stand out is efficiency. One operator can do the job faster and safer, reducing physical strain while increasing productivity. It's compact enough to integrate with work trucks, but strong enough to handle real-world recovery demands. If your pickup is part of your business, this upgrade turns it into a serious money-making tool. Aux-beam switch panel. The Aux-beam switch panel gives you clean, centralized control over all your aftermarket electronics without drilling your dash full of switches. This digital control system lets you manage light bars, fog lights, compressors, lockers, and more from a single compact panel. Each switch is programmable, backlit, and clearly labeled, so you always know what you're activating day or night. The real magic happens behind the scenes. With a simplified wiring system and integrated fuse box, installation is cleaner, safer, and far more organized than traditional setups. If you're building an off-road rig or work truck packed with accessories, this panel keeps everything professional, reliable, and clutter-free. Plumside box. The Plumside box is a weather-sealed external storage system designed to mount along the side of your truck or off-road vehicle. Built with high-strength materials, it's made to survive harsh environments, mud, rain, and constant vibration. Inside, you get organized storage for recovery gear, tools, ice eggs, first aid kits, or overlanding essentials, all while keeping your truck bed open for larger cargo. The sleek, low-profile design doesn't interfere with clearance or aesthetics, making it perfect for adventure builds and utility-focused trucks alike. Lockable, durable, and thoughtfully engineered, this side box keeps your gear protected and always within reach. Black Armor Truck Bedmats. Black Armor truck bed mats are designed to protect your bed from scratches, dents, shifting cargo, and corrosion. Made from ultra-durable rubber, these mats sit flat and heavy, staying put even when hauling loose or uneven loads. They add grip, too. That means toolboxes, coolers, and equipment don't slide around every time you hit the brakes or take a corner. And because the mat acts as a buffer, it also helps reduce noise and vibration while driving. Installation couldn't be easier, just drop it in and go. No drilling, no adhesives, no hassle. This is one of the simplest ways to extend the life of your truck bed. Clearview Tire Spider. Spare tires usually waste space until this changes everything. The Clearview Tire Spider is a rear-mounted spare tire carrier that keeps your spare secure while unlocking smart storage options around it. The Spider-style design allows you to mount accessories, gear brackets, or storage add-ons directly around the tire. It's engineered with reinforced steel and designed to handle vibration, weight, and rugged terrain. The mounting system keeps the spare easily accessible while still staying rock solid during long drives. For overlanders, expedition trucks, or anyone carrying extra fuel, tools, or recovery gear, this system turns your spare tire into a functional storage hub. It's a clever way to reclaim wasted space and stay prepared wherever the trail leads. Hitch and Sit. Sometimes the best truck upgrades are the simplest. The Hitch and Sit turns your truck's hitch receiver into a comfortable, portable seat. Perfect for tailgating, job sites, camping trips, or roadside breaks, it gives you a place to sit without hauling extra chairs. The seat mounts securely into standard hitch receivers and supports solid weight, making it reliable and surprisingly sturdy. When you're done, it pulls out just as easily and stores away compactly. Whether you're watching a game, taking a break on the trail, or just need a seat wherever your truck goes, this is one of those accessories that's endlessly useful once you own it. Decked Drawer System. If your truck bed is constantly turning into a black hole, this system fixes that permanently. The Decked Drawer System converts your truck bed into a fully organized, lockable storage platform with heavy-duty sliding drawers underneath. Tools, recovery gear, camping equipment, everything gets its own place, stays dry, and stays secure. Built from ultra-tough, weatherproof materials, these drawers are designed to handle extreme loads without flexing or warping. You can still stack cargo on top thanks to the flat deck surface, which supports serious weight while keeping your gear protected below. The drawers slide out smoothly, even when fully loaded, giving you fast access without climbing into the bed. For contractors, overlanders, and anyone who values efficiency, this system completely transforms how you use your truck. Once you go decked, disorganized truck beds become a thing of the past. Factor 55 Ultra Hook. When it comes to vehicle recovery, this is not a place to cut corners. The Factor 55 Ultra Hook is a closed-system recovery hook designed to replace traditional open winch hooks, dramatically improving safety during recoveries. Instead of relying on exposed hooks, this system uses a secure pin and latch design to keep straps and soft shackles fully contained. Machined from high-strength aluminum and finished with a durable coating, the Ultra Hook is built to handle extreme loads while resisting corrosion and wear. It also includes an integrated shackle mount and safety latch, making it one of the most versatile recovery tools you can add to your setup. For off-roaders, overlanders, or anyone who runs a winch, this upgrade adds peace of mind when things go wrong, and that's when good gear matters most. Highly elastic cargo net. Loose cargo is more than annoying, it's dangerous. A highly elastic cargo net gives you instant control over shifting loads in your truck bed. Made with thick, stretchable cords and reinforced hooks, this net expands to fit everything from coolers and toolboxes to camping gear and groceries. The elastic design applies constant tension, keeping items pressed down and preventing movement during hard stops or rough terrain. It installs in seconds, removes just as fast, and takes up almost no space when not in use. This is one of those low-cost upgrades that delivers massive everyday value. Once you use it, driving with unsecured cargo feels risky and outdated. Trunk Crate Pro XL Premium Organizer. If your truck cab or cargo area is always cluttered, this is a simple fix that actually works. The Trunk Crate Pro XL is a heavy-duty collapsible organizer built to keep groceries, tools, emergency gear, and everyday items from sliding all over the place. Made with reinforced walls and a rigid base, it holds its shape even when fully loaded. Multiple compartments let you separate items cleanly, while non-slip bottom panels keep it planted during sharp turns or sudden stops. When you don't need it, it folds flat in seconds, freeing up space instantly. Whether it lives in your truck bed, backseat, or cargo area, this organizer keeps everything accessible and eliminates the chaos that builds up over time. Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool. This one saves time, frustration, and your sanity. The Rack Magnetic Pickup Tool is a telescoping magnet designed to grab dropped bolts, screws, nails, and metal parts from places your hands simply can't reach under the truck, inside engine bays, or deep in the bed. The strong magnetic tip locks onto metal fasteners instantly, while the extendable shaft gives you the reach you need without crawling around. It's lightweight, durable, and small enough to keep in your glove box or toolbox at all times. If you work on your truck, build projects, or handle hardware regularly, this tool becomes indispensable faster than you'd expect. And there you have it. 20 amazing car and truck gadgets that can seriously upgrade your pickup truck, whether you use it for work, adventure, or everyday driving. Drop your pick in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Tronify Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next upgrade worth owning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.